Hey there, so if you're gonna have a problem with your WF-C500 earbuds and they are not charging, so there are two things. The first thing, maybe this is going to fix the issue, maybe you're gonna say this video is completely useless, I don't know, but it's something that I found. So Sony official advice is to use the USB cable that came with the earbuds and plug it directly into the computer's USB port. Never use a USB hub and never use a USB multi-charging device. And also the person wrote here, I had the same problem, I did the same, you said now my problem has been solved. So try it out. If it's going to fix the issue, try a different port but directly just connect it to not to the charging device, multi-charging or USB hub. Another thing is that can you check to see the charging contacts, and both the left earbud and the left side in the case are clean and not dirty, like if everything's clean. Try it out, maybe it's going to fix the issue. Maybe you're gonna say this video was useless. I always like to look for the guides and advice for you. So have a great day and goodbye.